Hi, my name is Srinivas. I have almost 10 plus years of experience in TensorFlow. Today we will discuss about mainly two topics. One is how to do the TensorFlow practicals, and second one is how to install uh, TensorFlow in the Colab environment, and third one is how to upload the files into TensorFlow. Okay. First of all, how to mainly the tensor in our program, all TensorFlow, all practicals we will do in a Colab environment. Okay, in the Colab environment, how to open the Colab environment. First of all, we have to go to drive google.com. Okay, then you have to click on new, and then you have to click on more. Then Google Colab environment you can able to see. If you click on that one, this type of a notebook you can notebook will open. Okay. Yeah, 1 second. It is initially the name of the notebook is untitled. Okay. Then you have to give any any proper name to that notebook. All files will save with the extension .ipynb format. Okay. Then sometimes some people will not able to see the whole app. If you click on in that case, you have to click on connect more apps. Then you have to search Colab, Colaboratory. Then you can be able to Colab. Yeah, I think for me it is already available here. Okay, if it is not available, then how can be able to see there in the Colab environment. Okay, then after that, this is to open the Colab environment. Okay, then here mainly when we see the when we see in the click on runtime and what is change runtime type, we can able to see different hardware accelerators. One is a CPU and TPU. TPU is nothing but it is a center TensorFlow tensor processing unit, and GPU is nothing but graphics processing unit. Okay, like that. But CPU is sufficient for our practical environments. Okay, then in this case, in the notepad, you can able to see code, text. Then generally text will use to write the comments for the particular code. See here, I have given the comment how to upload data. This type of the text we can able to write with the help of the text, and the code. Generally, if you click on the code, then you can able to write that particular code. Okay. Then next, nowadays all Colab in Colab, right, we can able to see TensorFlow 2.4. Okay, what is the already installed version of the TensorFlow? If you have to type these two commands, I insert the TensorFlow as TF, and then generally Tensor 2.15 version presently is going on, and this is the latest version. Okay, next one is how to upload data. How to upload the data into Colab environment. Mainly there is different 4 steps are there. Okay, different 4 methods are there to upload the data. Okay, first by using the wget. Here, suppose if any some URL, some data file is there. Okay, then in that case, we can able to use directly exclamation mark wget and that particular URL, then automatically it will fetch the data from directly into from this source into here. Okay, next one is using the T of Keras. T of Keras is also here. This is the URL. Okay, and T of Keras data utils data get open files, and we are giving any data frame name for that particular data and this URL we are giving here. Then automatically the file which is present in this particular URL, it will fetch and it will store into this particular data frame. Okay, and the third method is upload the files by yourself. Suppose if the files are present in our desktop, how to upload? Okay, suppose this is the way from Google's Colab import files. Okay, then it will ask the choose files. Okay, generally files will present in our local environment. We will browse that particular file and we can able to load the data into Colab environment. This is the fourth step. And fourth method is access the files from a Google Drive. Here we have to upload the local files into Google Drive environment, mounting the local files into Google Drive. Then we can be able to browse the files which is present into Google Drive. This is the 4 methods. Okay. Okay. Then we will wait in another class. Thank you.